Hello, welcome to Riding Times on RevelatorAlf again. So, out on the back trails again. Going to be heading off into the hills, through some forests. Again, another trail that I found that I've not ridden before. I know it's accessible, I've checked on the maps and Google Earth, so I know there is a route through. It's whether on the other side I can get through, so I might have to double back. But hopefully it should be fine. Anyway, catch you on the other side. All right, cheers, hope you enjoy it. Cheers. All right, let's see if I can get through here first of all. Wow, on the back trails again. Right, so I think it's this one here, not that. Yeah, that just takes me into a field. Let's see where this takes me. It's going to be a little bit careful here, because ruts, sort of hidden ruts. Go to the right hand side. Just make sure I'm still going on the right trail. Just checking my mapping. That all looks pretty good. Yeah. Well, the great thing about these knob is that now where, I suppose I was on the road tyres all the time, so I was always struggling with even the slightest mini ruts. Now it's not so bad. Okay, so let's go. Is it this way or that way? Okay, I think it's down here. Yeah, okay. Nice. Excellent. Very gravelly underneath, so. Ooh, there's lots of pheasants around this time of year now. I think they've finished their mating bit, and now they're just going out and about and doing finding food and stuff and preparing for winter, possibly. I don't know. Nice. All right. I do love these forest trails. I mean, as you know, I am very much a, just getting out, getting into nature. But there is something about the open countryside that is really, really cool. I mean, this is just nice riding. Do you know what I mean? Right. Okay, that turns off that way. Okay, that goes right up into the trees. So I believe I'll just carry on here. See how far I get. There was a trail that went up there. I think it just doubles back onto here actually. Yeah, that's right. There's quite a sharp turn coming up ahead. Look at that. Oh, that red kite. I wonder if you're too far away on the video to pick that up actually. Look at that bloody thing. It's huge. Whoa. I'll just try and look up a little bit. I don't want to look up too much because I need to focus on the trail ahead, but alright, hold on. There you go. Afternoon. I can't remember, is that way or that way? Actually, I think. I'm assuming this is the way, but I can check on my mapping in a minute. No, that's not it. Well, this is going into the trees. I'm kind of going the wrong way. Okay. So what I need to do is find a way to turn back at some point. That's a fence line there, so can't get through that. Yeah, there's that fence line there, isn't there? Right, so yeah, this is where you kind of get lost in the woods here a little bit, don't you? I think this is the trail that I needed right here. Yeah, this is it. Crikey, that was hidden from me. Blimey. There we go. Beautiful. Look at this. Exquisite. Is it this way? Yeah, it looks like it, because this kind of zigzags up the hill here. So basically zigzagging up the hill here, actually going on top of the ridge line. So it's kind of one of those things, you just have to keep the power on and keep it going, you know. Luckily it's dry, so I'm not really getting caught out or anything. Well, there's a few tree roots about. Wow. That's one of those things, you know, you want to kind of look around it, of course. But at the same time, you really got to keep an eye on the trail, because it kind of twists and turns, and there's, you know, stuff on the surface changes, and it's, you know, got stuff sticking out as well. So it's, you know, this is, I'm right. You can see I'm pretty much on top of the ridge here a little bit. Let's see where I am. There we go. Okay, there's a left arrow there as well on the tree. That's giving me a good indication I'm going to have to turn left here. There we go. Alright. That's it. Gone on top, and now I've going down the other side of the ridge now. Oh, just watch the tree roots there. Just lean back on the seat a little bit. Put the weight on the rear tyre. Straight on, I think. And then beautiful. nice. Oh. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so if I can't get out this end, then I can get out that end pretty much, I know. Nice. Nice, going down the trails here. I've got a feed in, I'm not going to get out of this one. Well, maybe alright. There we go, had a feed in up. There we go, okay, up we go then. Nice. Whoa, there we go. Yeah. Problem is we have had a little bit of rain, and so you know what happens in the trees, though, it just gets moist quite quickly. So you get sort of moist patches and sort of little divots where you think it's sort of hard and compact, then all of a sudden, your front tire just digs in, and that's what you got to be careful here. This is the left here. Beauty. See, here it's actually quite damp, so just going to take it easy. Let the tyres do their stuff, dig in when they need to. Cool. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed that riding times. Catch you on the next one, whenever it is. I mean, that was a good one, wasn't it? That was really cool. Really enjoyed it. Cheers.